Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to clear almost all the points related to slowed and reverbed songs. This video is going to be into three parts. In the first part, we will learn the ways, how we can make a slowed and reverbed song. In the second part, we will make a sample of a slowed and reverbed song by using all the methods. And in the third and last part, we will learn, can we make money from slowed and reverbed songs? If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss any part. Now, without wasting time, let's start the video. There are multiple methods to make a slowed and reverb song, but we are going to discuss only two methods by an online website and by video editing software. To make a song through the website, simply open Chrome, search for Audio Alter, click on the first link. You can use any other website. Here you can alter your audio in any way, like making 3D audio, bass boosting, and all the stuff like that. Here, simply scroll down. Now click on Slowed and Reverb. Upload your audio. Now click on Submit, and your slowed and reverb song is ready. Now click on the Download button, select the path, and download it. To make a song through the video editing software, simply open the software. I'm using CapCut, but you can use any other software. The process will be same. Now click on Create Project. Click on Import. Import your audio and drag it down. Now simply click on the dragged audio and go to the top right side on Voice Changer section. Here, scroll down and select Makhog. Now your audio is reverbed. To make your audio slow, simply go to the Speed option beside Voice Changer section. From here, you can slow your audio according to your need. This part is going to be the most important part of this video. In this video, we will know, can we make money from the slowed and reverb or lo-fi song? So the answer is yes, but not from all. We can earn money from YouTube by uploading slowed or lo-fi songs, but only from those songs that are copyright-free. But in most of the cases, the Bollywood and Hollywood songs are copyright protected. If you want to earn money from these type of songs, firstly, you have to find the copyright-free songs, and then you can earn some money. If you go to the home page of my channel, you will see my most viewed. It's approximately 345,000 views. But you know, how much was earned from that video? Zero. So if you really want to earn money from this type of slowed or lo-fi songs, it's not a good option. You can go to any other category of song, like making mashup songs, etc. The purpose of creating this video is not to discourage you. If you have any questions and you are confused about the copyright strike and copyright claim, let me know in the comments and I'll make a detailed video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.